Sonia with RT Solutions, and welcome to week 2 of the Tim Holtz Mondays, using up my hoarded stash. And this week I just made some really super duper easy journal cards. This is the first one. Basically just did some stamping, stitching, and just some gluing, and then all the backs are just plain. It only took about like maybe 10 minutes altogether when you put together the time that it took just to stamp, glue, and stitch. Super easy, anyone can do it. But I did cut out some ephemera from one of the sheets of the Paperstash, the Tim Holtz Memoranda Paperstash. So let me go ahead and just show you guys how I made this. So this time I'm going to make some simple journal cards, and I'm just taking a regular 8.5 by 11 inch piece of paper of cardstock, and this is 60 pound, no, this is 110 pound cardstock. And let me just burnish it and get some of my tools. Bring these over here where I can use them. Okay, so let me just burnish this here. I'm just going to fold it in 4s. And I'm basically just going to take about like a 1/16 of an inch off, just to cut like where it's connected, where the papers are all connected. Okay, so we have 4 journal cards, and I'm going to use a sheet of paper from the Paperstash, the Tim Holtz Memoranda Paperstash, and it's double-sided, and I like how it has like different images on it, different little elements that I could cut out and use, just different little things that you can use to build your papers and things. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to use one sheet of the Tim Holtz paper and some other, just some solid color papers to complement it. Alright, so first what I'm going to do, I'm going to ink my edges, and actually I think I'm going to do some stamping. I'm going to do some stamping, and I'm going to use some of these cut out images. I'm gonna fussy cut out some of these images to use on here, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I cut all of these out, and now I'm going to use this Tim Holtz Alterations French Flight. I'm not gonna use the dies in it. I'm just gonna use the stamps in it. That, and I'm gonna use some other Tim Holtz stamps. So I'm just gonna randomly, let's see. I'm going to use some Archival ink because I want my background to be jet black. I do have some Distress Oxide Black Soot. I guess I could kind of add a combination of both of these black inks. So let me just go ahead and take these out. now I'm just going to start adding some of this ephemera to the different pieces in here. And I'm just going to randomly put it somewhere. So this is pretty much it. So you got the Eiffel Tower, just some stamps, really pretty basic, nothing major, super duper easy to fix. Just some stamping, stitching, and gluing, and in about 10 minutes you've got yourself some journal cards. And I just made the back plain. You can just add these into your journals, scrapbooks, or whatever you're making, and it's convenient. They're pretty flat and cute. So this is my week 2 of the Tim Holtz using up my hoarded stash. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, click the bell to continue to get notifications. Check out my other videos and my blog and my social media sites, and as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.